Alright. Out here on the, damn it, and a little Kawasaki PitBike. I don't know how well you guys can hear me. I got media mod on my GoPro, and I have a mic on the inside of my helmet, but I forgot that I need a little dongle connector thing. So right now you're just listening to the media mod mic. So you can probably hear me right now, but who knows if you'll be able to hear me while I'm actually riding. Okay, so basically I'm just practicing my wheelies on this little John, because all I can do is chase them, pretty much. Yeah, I'm pretty much just trying to learn back brake, throttle control, all that good stuff. That's not good. What the fuck? That's never happened before. Huh. I don't know how much gas I have, so I don't know how long I'm going to be out here for. Basically, the main issues that I'm having are not popping up high enough and not holding a steady throttle when I do pop up high enough. I got the back brake pretty much down. Had some good loop saves. That was alright, but that was still a chase. Still chasing it at the end. Is that a fucking cop? I swear to God. Still a chase. Chasing it at the end, and I didn't touch the back brake once there. I need to learn how to use the back brake. It doesn't have a clutch, so it's not really good for practicing clutch ups, obviously, because it doesn't have a clutch. But I kind of count the pulling up the bars as a clutch up, because I don't have to do that on my big bike. It just has enough power to just clutch up. I don't have to pull up or nothing. I also need to learn how to go in a straight line. Back more. See, like I get up to balance point and I'm just chopping the throttle. I need to just hold it steady, but it's so hard on this small bike. I need to just hold it. Here, I'll show you guys what it's like when I have my freaking feet down. Hold on. as I want, but I'm hanging my feet off the back. And that's obviously not how you do it. And obviously I can't do that on a big bike. But it's just weird how how much of a difference it is for me to do it with my feet off. I don't know. Was up there a couple times, but that was mainly a chase. It's just hard to know on a big sport bike. It's easy to tell if you're chasing it because you'll end up going like 90 miles an hour. But on this thing, it's hard to tell because you're staying at like the same speed no matter what. Even if you're chasing it, you'll go up a little bit, but it's hard to tell. I guess you can tell by the RPMs, by how high the RPMs are at the end of it. And I think for the most part my RPMs are pretty high by the end of it. Okay, that was pretty good. Woo, that was a good save right there. I should have been recording like all the times I first came out here, like when I was looping it and stuff. I don't loop it anymore because I know how to use the back brake. Knock on wood. See, that was good. There was like a good little second there where I was holding the throttle and keeping it up. I don't know why I let off. That was a good save. But the problem is like every time I save it, I'm in balance point. Every time I hit the back brake, it's when I'm in balance point. Just because I'm not used to how that feels. It feels like I'm falling back, but I'm probably not. That's another thing about this small bike is there's like the angle of balance point and looping. Since it's such a short small bike, the difference is like half a foot. Still chasing, but it's taking me longer to chase, if that makes any sense. This hill helps a lot. That was pretty good. I wasn't really chasing it at the end. I was just already had the RPMs high up. That was pretty good. Woo. Woo. That was pretty good. I got into balance point like twice there. After hitting the back brake, usually when I hit the back brake, I just slam it down. But just then, I actually hit the back brake, brought it down a little bit, and was able to keep it a little bit. So that's something I need to do too. A velvet ant. They got like the 4th most painful sting on the planet or something like that. I think they have the longest stinger of any insect too. A little fun fact for you guys. Here's a clip of Coyote Peterson getting stung by one. Anyways. was scary. That was sick though. I saved it twice. I think I need to make the back brake a little more powerful on this thing. Okay, that was pretty good. I was chasing it pretty hard, I think. I don't know. Leave it in the comments if you think I was chasing it on that one. I was definitely at the end or at some points, but there were times where I had it up and I don't know. That was good. I was still chopping it though. But I don't know, because I know on sport bikes, everyone always says to keep a steady throttle. But every time I see people wheeling dirt bikes, they're always chopping it. So I don't even know if it's possible to keep a steady throttle on this thing. You know what I mean? Like when I'm going back, should I be straight arming it, like trying to like hang back? Or should I kind of like bring the bike up to me? I don't know. I don't really know. That goes for both sport bikes and this bike. I don't know. Shit. Straight dog shit. Fuck. Whew. No. I think we're good. Dumbass. See, when I just start thinking about other things besides the back brake, I think we're good. Whew. Oh, fuck. Alright, come on, baby. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. It's gotta be a fucking neutral, dumbass. Whew. Oh, yeah. Oh, something's up with the fucking throttle cable. I think. Oh shit. I snapped the throttle cable? Well, back to the garage, god damn it. Oh, fuck. Alright, well that's that.